Are you looking for a house and lot na located sa Imus, Cavite? If yes, don't skip this video. This is Pau Pepito, your home search buddy. 3-story minimalist house na located sa Barangay Bukandala, Imus, Cavite. Accessible to Manila and Airport via Cavitex and Emilio Aguinaldo. Semi-finished turnover, kaya naman ang advantage nito ay mako-customize natin ang interior design ng ating property. Meron itong minimum lot size na 50 square meters at may provision ito for 1 carport. At may floor area na 94 square meters, kaya naman may provision tayo for 3 to 5 bedrooms. Ang maganda nga sa property natin na to ay lahat ng floors ay may toilet and bath. Mataas na rin ang ating floor to ceiling height, naka-primary paint at naka-sliding windows. Talaga namang nakasave tayo pagdating sa ating home expansion dahil ito ay 3-story na. Pinakasulit na property sa Imus, Cavite for as low as 5K reservation fee. Total contract price is 3,940,000. Monthly down payment for 12 months is 27,917. Estimated monthly amortization sa pag-ibig is 22,755. Napakasulit talaga nitong property natin dahil tayo ay naka-low down payment. And imagine guys na mata-turnover na to for 1 to 2 years. Kaya naman kung interesado ka sa property na to, send me direct message para ma-schedule na natin ang exclusive house viewing mo. So, bye-bye!